Hey Petty Fam, back with another video. We're doing Clare and Queen react to AMP the button. Let's get into it.
What's like the hardest drug you ever done? It's not DMT, is it?
No, that's not hard.
You like what the that does crack. Oh my
God, Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war. And now I don't know if I'm a...
Yeah, it's like people,
So you guys...
it's like if you want to keep going on a date, you don't press
All right.
the button. If you want the next person,
let's hope I can find an astrology queen, you know? Okay, how you doing?
How are you?
Nice to meet you. My name's Davis.
Really nice.
Okay, nice to meet you. Okay. You can tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm Black, Spanish, and Indian.
yo, y'all want to do...
All right.
I keep saying y'all say Deadass 1 was better. Y'all want to do button 1 or button 2?
Someone said one was better.
What's up with y'all, man? Span 1, dumb, because it was funny. Both of them?
People saying two.
What?
Wait. Don't do me like that.
Can you please do a 360?
Yeah, right there.
Damn! Like, I be peeing on... Nah, I want to piss in your mouth. Like, piss on your mouth one time. When I'm alone,
I didn't watch one. I never watched this one.
In the back of my mind, I hear my conscience call.
Yo, Davis, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, kaicenat? Robotic?
Yo, Davis, if you want something, say yeah.
I don't necessarily know if I want. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Excellent, nice to meet you. David.
Good.
What's your name?
Marissa.
Marissa.
You say David?
Mm-hmm.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I just moved here from Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay.
I live in Atlanta now.
Mm-hmm.
I am an inspiring actress and screenwriter.
Okay.
Fun fact about Marissa,
That's pretty much about
she
me.
is a great singer.
Wait, what was it? Hit that? What is that? What does this rip mean?
Yo, it's that cringe shit. You react to it, but it's that cringe shit.
So you take it back like you didn't mean to back me up?
I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, well, we'll just pretend like it didn't happen then, okay?
Okay.
We'll just cut it off.
Why should you press the button?
So continue
I
telling me
don't
yourself.
know. He said we're going to pretend like that never happened, and then he pressed the button.
Yeah.
I don't want to shake your hand.
Okay. I don't want to have a conversation with you no more.
You need to grow more facial hair and get a haircut.
Oh, sis. Oh my gosh. Sis. She say, oh, you don't want to talk to me? Okay, we'll get that hair fixed, bruh. Get you some facial hair about yourself. Heck no. Yeah, I don't know, this one already better. I don't even know. This is my first time seeing the button, so forgive me. But apparently, I guess you can reject your date if you ain't happy. I don't know.
I don't know what the fuck's going on because she's dumb.
Why you smiling already for? Like, damn.
It's like hella quiet in here.
How you doing?
Hi, Maddie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Kai.
Nice to meet you.
Where you from?
New Jersey, Newark.
Where? I'm from New York.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
tri-state.
You ever been over there?
Yeah.
Really?
It's like Newark is 15 minutes away.
Like the neighbors type shit.
Yeah, that's where we go to have fun.
So why you in Atlanta? What made you come to Atlanta?
My acting career.
Word? You know how to act?
Something like that.
You know, I want to get into that, you know?
Yeah.
But I feel like I got to just find the right people, know the right things to do, and like how to audition and shit like that. I really want to get into that.
Okay.
I see you got some nice tattoos.
Too damn many.
She's obsessed with cleanliness. So I say Kai has a hoarding problem.
That was just funny.
That ain't.
Hey, fun fact, so kaicenat has a hoarding problem.
I mean, how? Come on, do I look like a nigga that... Yo, why you doing that? What the fuck, bro? You trying to sabotage a nigga? Like, that's sabotage right there.
I can't. One of my fun facts is that I'm like overly clean. Like I'm.
Me too. I'm a hygienic nigga. I get my nails done and shit. Like, I'm really hygienic.
Listen, I get my nails
I heard
done.
dust.
Wow. So I can get your number?
I heard dust.
What if he was lying, though?
I don't think they're lying.
Damn, all right. Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hope you enjoy your next day.
Hope you clean your dust off of your boxes and stuff.
I don't got dust in my boxes. Hey,
Yo,
Word of my dad. Word of my... Nah, y'all...
How you doing?
Hi, Maddie.
Nice to meet you. My name is Vaughn.
Vaughn.
So,
Vaughn.
what do you do?
I'm an actress.
Got you. I'm in construction.
Oh, okay. Dope.
Let's cut the small talk.
Okay.
You eat ass?
Huh? Do I eat ass?
You said, do you eat ass?
Do you eat ass? You want somebody to eat your ass? Child, bring this light on. Did he do it first?
Why you look like...
Like what?
Yo.
Like you mad at me?
Who even knew Asian was gonna do all this? Now, I would expect that from anybody else, but not Agent. Like, sir, he just came out of left field.
What's your name?
Big Jazz, the
What?
motherfucking flexer. Big
What?
Jazz.
I can't hear you.
Big Jazz, the motherfucking flexer.
Okay, what you flexing?
Everything. What you flexing?
Nothing.
She's a proud Benz owner. That's what she flexes.
He said what?
What Benz you got?
Don't play with it.
What Benz you got?
AMG.
What AMG you got?
Don't worry about it.
Bro, in Atlanta, as long as you got an AMG, that's all niggas care about.
What you playing?
In Atlanta.
Flex your V, like...
I was going with shit first.
You don't know what Benz you got?
I was just...
Hey, why did you pass up on Jasmine?
She don't know what Benz she got. It's her first time coming to my house. Why you make that face?
Because you're not cute.
What the fuck? You not cute. Damn.
Cute.
So I'm ugly to you?
No, just not my type.
So what's your...
I'm with Claire. I tell you, me and Claire, we here, boo-boo. First of all, he walked off because he and I know what's going on. I don't know everybody else know. I ain't even gonna tell y'all. I just don't know if he know.
Yo, what? Yo, what
It took a really wild turn.
What is wrong? Yo, I didn't know it was going there, bro. I didn't know that's where it was going. What does this mean?
Because, you know, people be...
Nah.
Type.
Alright.
You're not really my type either.
I know.
Why you say that?
Because I'm a little bit more masculine than you are.
I'm stronger than you.
You are?
Yeah.
Prove it. Let's arm wrestle.
I bet.
She looks strong as shit.
That brother off the table. And since I ain't even moved though, and since I even flinched, you see that? That's his strong arm. She say, he up here double fisting it, bruh. Why you go out like this? A, she taller than you. B, she got red wig on. So I play with the sis with the red wig. Just don't. If people approach it with what they want to do, that mean they're good at doing it, right? Right? I mean, just let me know. Let me know if I'm wrong.
Yo, bro.
I want some.
Bro, he has two hands.
More masculine than you are.
I'm stronger than you.
You are?
Yeah.
Prove it. Let's arm wrestle.
I bet. I want some bullshit.
Told you that red wig though. Don't play with the red wig now. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Oh my gosh. MH, I hope you enjoying this. This is out of control. Y'all let me know, Petty fam.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm good.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah?
That's
Okay.
what kind of show
Where you from?
this is?
I'm from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. You speak,
Yeah.
you know how to speak Espanol?
Sí.
Okay, then don't stop me, negro amigo. So, like, what do you do? Like, what you into?
So I'm in college. I have a lash business. You know, I do improv on the side.
Okay,
You know, stuff
okay,
like
okay.
that.
How you like in the lash business thing right now?
Right now it's been good, but I've been really focusing on my serving job.
Can we get an improv, like, on the spot right now?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
What is improv?
Wait, hold on, wait. Somebody behind you.
Who? Yes.
Oh, nah. No. Let's go ahead and improv.
Okay.
Nigga said, watch out, there's
So what
someone
do y'all want
behind
me
you.
to do? Like, give me a topic, something.
Let's do like something like something like freaky or some shit.
Oh.
Like I'm locked up in the room type shit, like, and I don't like you on some freaky shit, on some role play shit. Yeah.
Why is she walking like that?
Hey,
What's
how
good?
you doing?
Claire. I don't know how Queen dealing with this every day. He said, why is she walking like that? I wasn't even gonna say it, y'all. I was thinking about I wasn't gonna say it. I already know. You know, we know, ladies. But the fact that he saw that and he had to say something about it just threw me over there.
What's good?
How was work?
Oh shit! Shit, work was good and shit.
Okay, you want a massage?
Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
You probably ain't get no gigs yet.
So shit, you trying to fuck?
What? Oh, yeah, you want to?
Okay, that's pretty good. All right, yo, whoever coming in next will come in next. Come on, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Let me go. All right, go ahead.
For 70K.
Oh, shit. How you doing, man?
Oh, you got marry me.
I say that. I'm from South Carolina, so like
South
manners.
Carolina?
Where
What
you
part
from?
of South Carolina?
I'm from Greenville.
Greenville?
Yeah. Hey, nah, don't do that yet. Let me talk.
Why you
Greenville,
laughing?
like, it's a go. But I don't want to.
Fun fact
Why
about
you trying to
her,
like green when you
she
say
got scammed
Greenville?
for $70,000.
Damn!
She got scammed for 70K.
How the fuck do you get scammed for 70,000?
I was investing
You got
in a
pretty
business.
smile, though.
Thank you, you do too.
Yeah, for sure.
Like VVS is what Megan say.
Yeah.
A nigga with a mouthful of VVS's is my type of dude.
Do that apply?
I mean, I have never had it.
Word. Damn. Wait. Don't do me
Why
like
she-
that. Let's say that real quick. All right. 70 bands.
I got scammed. He was a businessman. I thought
Got your motherfucking ass.
I thought he was about it. I'm new to Atlanta, land of the scams. And
She
I
gave a
gave him
nigga
70 bands 'cause I was supposed to be
$70K.
flipping my money.
You got it like that.
Not anymore.
Had it. You had it like that.
Gone.
But I like you still, you know what I'm saying,
She a
got
scammer?
high spirits and shit, right? How was that working out, though?
How is it working out?
Like, I mean, other than the fact that you got hit for 70 of them things.
I mean,
No, with
I
the
still pay my
resub.
bills now.
Is that ATL made her buy a Benz?
Yeah, my
and she
Benz.
was looking for someone to cover it.
I'm looking for somebody to pay the bill because I got scammed for 70 bands and I got a Benz and I work, but I take care of me. I need somebody to take care of me too.
So,
Sir, is that you?
huh?
Is that you?
What, am I going to pay for your motherfucking bands? Oh, because like, you can,
I mean, but do you want to go to Taco Tuesday and we can talk about it?
after this, you fuck.
Is you fucking him?
Who the fuck is asking? I don't know what them VVS is gonna do. What them VVS is gonna do?
Come on, man. I feel like you already know it.
I
Like,
don't know. Let me see.
Come on.
Let me see some tongue work.
Nah,
Let
what?
me see you put your tongue out of your mouth and show me what you gonna do.
If he do that, it's over.
damn. But we can leave right now. Like,
Let's go.
hey, come here. This way, man. If I call this way, man. No. I got two.
Why does a nigga do some tongue action? It's crazy on me.
Hold on. That bitch was twerking? What you did? You were that bitch twerking!
How you doing?
What's your name?
My name is Timothy.
Timothy.
Timothy Quintavious III. Where you from?
DC.
DC. What's your name?
Essence.
Essence. Got a real prominent figure, like, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm scared of you.
Why you scared?
Yeah.
Essence, can you please do a 360?
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Damn! Is that a BBL?
Hell no.
Nigga says that a BBL.
Can we test it?
Essence, can you please shake that shit?
Can you do like 2 jumps? Okay. Hey, you
Y'all
from
working me.
Yeah, it's cool. Where you? So you from Atlanta?
DC.
DC. What part of DC?
Southeast.
I don't even care. Like you here with me? Like
Where you from?
well, I'm from New York, the Bronx.
I get that.
You like that?
I get that.
Yeah, feisty shit. No? Whoa, what was that?
You want to make it clap there?
Yeah. That's a fact. I'm trying to get smart.
Oh, okay.
What you do for fun?
Eat.
You eat. Word. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Can I leave with her? Oh, we out.
Why you want to ask me?
We out. Oh, come on. Oh, we good. Oh, come on. Come on.
Phantom! Wait, come back.
How you doing?
Hi.
What's your name?
Jay.
Jay? Okay, what's going on, Jay? What's up?
Hi.
What's up? What you like to do?
I like to do everything.
Like, what's everything? You gotta list that shit out.
So I love being in front of a camera. I love to do YouTube. I love to go out. I
That's
love to
fire.
dance.
That's fire. So you're not a shy person?
I'm not a shy person. I'm
Okay.
very outgoing.
Are you an extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
Fire.
But I know how to be introvert too, though.
Fire.
So, you know.
Okay, you
What
know.
mixture of both?
Fun fact about Kai. She's 5'11", standing.
You're 5'11"?
5'11".
Okay, I'm 5 foot even.
No, he's
so
not.
Like,
Word?
yeah.
Say that real quick.
Nah, 5'11" is crazy.
Oh yeah, I could throw you in the air and leave you there. For
well,
sure, ski.
Yeah.
For
For sure. So what's your type of niggas?
I like sweet ones.
Can you guys stand back to back?
Oh yeah, for sure we can.
Why should be the same height though?
Yeah.
Oh, now you're talking.
Yeah, from see back to back for sure. Nah, but
I like sweet ones. You know how to court a woman.
you like freaky niggas?
Yeah.
Word?
Yeah.
Like
This is
freaky?
a
Cause I'm a freaky nigga.
button.
Freaky.
Like I be peeing on bitches type shit. I wanna
I
piss in your
haven't done
like piss on your mouth and type
Not
shit.
in my mouth.
Well, on
Not
your
in my
body
mouth.
is
Okay,
valid.
so like, what about eat? I like to eat ass and all that shit. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, we can get that.
All right. Okay. So I mean, shit. Like, all right. So,
Like,
are you
would
into
it be
like
someone-
like dark skin?
Yes, I don't discriminate.
Like if you,
Alright.
if
So
you
like,
wanted
what would you rate me for 1 through 10?
If I wanted you to pee, if I asked you to, you would do it?
I'll give
to.
you.
Yeah, like that's if that gets you where you need to be. Like,
What's your
I'm not
type?
taking you.
Fun fact. Kai's been peed on 2 times.
You wouldn't feel weird
That's a
if I
fact.
would have just like, I don't know.
I pissed on myself. Like it was so
Like in
crazy.
the shower or
Like
some shit.
I legit like I was trying to use the bathroom type shit, but like I was
I think
laying
I
down
would
and
pee on
the
you,
pee
like-
just like
Yeah.
like it's just weird like how I was trying to use the bathroom type shit.
Yeah.
Y'all too fucking freaky, bro. Stop playing.
Who was that?
Thank you.
A fucking hater?
He cop blocking.
You cop blocking, bro.
Dang.
Go back to peeing on each other. My bad.
He cop
Like
blocking.
if you want to pee in her mouth, just
That
say
doesn't do
that,
anything for me. Like,
I just want to say I'm not nervous enough. It just I had to
I think
run
you're
back.
very nervous.
What?
what?
Cause you telling me
Why
you're
would
not
you let
nervous.
No, I had to let you know because
I
I'm
don't want
breathing
you.
mad. My name's
Damn.
QUEENNAIJA.
I'm Nikki.
Hey, Nikki.
Yes, where
Where you
is
from?
CJ? Like, part of it.
Philly. Philly
Yeah.
boy.
So you probably had
What part
to
of
peed on
Philly?
you peed on.
West Philly.
It's like part
people
of
in
it.
North
Comes
Philly.
both from the same thing.
Fun fact about Nikki. She's not scared of
Where
anything.
does partially pee, you guys?
It's
Stop.
cap.
Don't trust me.
Okay.
You're not scared of nothing in your life. There's nothing that you're scared of.
Part of it.
So you're not God-fearing.
I am.
So then you scared of something.
I'm not scared of that. I fear God.
Okay.
It's a difference of being
How old are
scared.
you?
How old do I look?
Like 24.
Thank you.
How old you is?
I'll be 30 in November.
Damn! My bad. Nah, my bad. Fuck. Oh,
Nigga.
That's where you coming. That's where you coming.
But why would you sit? That's why you always get injured.
Always hurt him.
How the fuck would you sit?
She
like
pretty,
that?
right?
Hi.
She pretty.
I'm Nikki.
Nikki.
Yeah.
Where you from, Nikki?
I'm from Philly.
Philly?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Can you take your hat off? I don't like being hatfish.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Can you take your hat off? That's the last thing Chris wants to hear.
Yeah. Claire feel that one. He like his hats. What if he didn't do his hair? You know how men are about their hair. Oh, Chris. He already failed.
Why?
Cause it doesn't like his
You got
head.
receding hairline?
Yeah, his head don't really look like what it might look like with his hat on, if that makes sense.
Let me see. I never really seen it.
I don't think he's gonna take off.
I got stage 4 marking her, and
What's that?
Just push the button, Chris.
I get to it because it's like something. I don't know, nigga.
Nigga said I had stage 4 Machina.
Who hit it first?
I did.
Fuck!
You're emotional. Why are you so emotional? I can't deal with that.
Damn,
This too much.
Get a new one. That's some bullshit. Get a new one. Did I not hit that first? I'll be honest.
Apologize.
I apologize. This is my hair.
Oh,
Okay.
All right. Why would you lie like that?
Nick, I didn't know you would like. I didn't know. I thought you was gonna be like, oh,
You made up a disease.
Your hair is fucked up. I don't want you no more. So I was just like, hold
So
on.
are you gonna lie to me if we like end up like really dealing with each other?
This is the last time I'm gonna lie to you.
Don't lie to me again.
I would never do that again. I promise. I apologize. I'm not that type of nigga. Okay?
All right.
Okay.
And all that, don't do that.
I apologize.
Apologize to the people.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My heart, my limb.
Start over. You gonna start over?
Okay. Thank you. I apologize about that. Nice to meet you again, for sure. So I'm from Merwin.
She gonna press the button again, watch.
Yeah, that's how we talk. But yeah, I'm basically I like nature and shit. I like nature.
Too.
Yeah. For real? For real, like, do you like hikes and shit?
Like hiking, fishing, like put the worm on there, catch the fish,
He just waiting to slap it.
Yeah.
Nikki, I really like your fucking aura.
Thank you.
Your aura is so fucking nice.
Thank you.
Like you seem so fucking peaceful. So I apologize about all that shit. That was crazy. Yes,
I wasn't feeling it.
Yeah, but I mean, like,
are you bipolar?
A little bit, not.
Chris is out of his mind, y'all. I swear he's out of his mind. He's so funny to me. He said a little bit, he said I'm mostly one versus the other, It depends on the day, it depends on the person. Like, that's okay, baby. We love you anyway.
Like too bipolar, just a little bit, but you know what I'm saying. I hope you can love me for who I am.
Okay.
Because
I'm gonna give you a chance.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Hold on, that was
I
bad
apologize
funny.
about all that shit. That was crazy. Yes,
I wasn't feeling it.
Yeah, but I mean, like,
are you bipolar?
A little bit. Not too bipolar, just a little bit, but you know what I'm saying. I hope you can love me for who I am.
Okay.
Because
I'm willing to give you a chance.
Thank you so much. You know what? This button shit is so stupid.
So what? Now that is
fun fact about him, he's an award-winning artist.
I do make music.
What kind of music?
I can sing, I can rap.
Let me hear you sing. Sing me a song.
Like, usually I don't want to be like
it's okay.
one of the
You can rap it, you can sing, you said you rap and sing, so whatever it makes you comfortable.
Nah, I'm going to sing to you. I'm the type of nigga that's like serenade, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to serenade to you. Really miss my nigga. What your name?
Where's the rest of it?
I said, I really miss my nigga. My nigga, what you say? I really miss my nigga. I really miss my nigga.
What you mean you miss your nigga?
Yeah, what do we mean, sis? Nikki, that's a good question because I thought you was gonna serenade her. You serenade your friends, bro. Like, is that gonna be a problem in our relationship? What is going on? Like, is they coming with you everywhere? Am I dating you? Am I dating them? Like, what happened?
The hospital bed. I said, nigga, are you dead? My nigga say yeah.
Why did he go high? What is wrong with What is wrong with these people?
And I said, no. I said, no. Why you had to go? Reach out to my nigga. It's slow mo. Oh my God.
Go red. From the singer to the background. Don't.
Come on,
Can y'all get him out of here, please?
Got this. So go. Try to get her number. Don't fuck it up. Nah, bro. Try to get her number. Dead ass. Like dead ass. Go. Just do your thing, bro. Like, cameras is off right now, bro. Just go.
Please be normal. Please be normal. Please.
Normal?
Please be normal. She said, I just want one, bro. Like, can I have an AMP dude that's gonna act right?
Hi.
My name's Dean. Good to meet you.
Dean, I'm Nikki.
Nikki, good to meet
Asian and all these multiple aliases, bro.
you.
Oh, you sound like you got a strong, good hit.
All of that. You're begging for normal?
The last one was real emotional, a little bipolar, angry. He almost broke the thing.
Yeah. So what are you into?
Right now I model and I sell hair and lashes. So like, in these braids you see hair, but it's not like fake hair. It's like virgin hair.
So you talking entrepreneur?
Yeah.
Okay, I could appreciate that.
Fun fact about Dean, he has a mansion with a helicopter pad on top, and he loves to support his partner's businesses.
They didn't sound too sure about that, but all right.
No, he's just, I think he's reading off a script. I'm not sure why.
I think, like, you know, that's pretty cool or whatever, because I'm looking for somebody, but like, you know, I have a lot to offer.
Okay.
So I know my person have a lot to offer.
Right.
It sounds like you may have a lot to offer.
Yeah, that's the whole part of dating, getting to know each other.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
I like it here.
Okay, appreciate it.
I like to get to know you. How old are you?
27.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you?
29.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that weird?
No, but the person before the last person was like, damn. And I was like,
That's so fucking immature.
So fucking rude.
I'm about to say, that's disrespectful, borderline.
And like,
Well, he said that on camera?
yes.
That's fucked up.
He had to go.
How old you?
I'll be 30 in November.
Damn! My bad. Nah, my bad.
I thought she said in November. Okay.
Oh, that's why you packed him? I'm about to say. Nah, that's personally me. I end up, I don't know why, I end up dating people usually older than me.
You sound mature for
That's probably what it is.
Yeah. I want to go on another date with you.
Okay, here, let me get your number. I bet.
That's my IG name too, by the way. You
Okay.
could call me Nikki or Nicole. Nicole's my real name.
Got you. All right, bless. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. All right. Took me out my shoe.
You good?
Yeah.
He won the Super Bowl. I mean, I'm glad she found somebody because this whole thing.
Asia is Ethiopian? I did not know that.
Word, nigga. Hey, boy, we told you, nigga, believe in yourself, nigga. Believe in yourself, nigga. Like, word, nigga, proud of you, nigga. You can do anything you put your mind to, nigga. Like, word, don't ever doubt yourself, nigga. Don't ever goddamn think below yourself, nigga. You can do that shit, nigga. Word, nigga.
How long has it been since they had a date? They crying. They tearing up. I'm happy for you too, bro. Shoot, I mean, it's hard out there.
Bro, he's so fucking stupid, bro.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Know Squad.